Let's open this baby up. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Annie and today is going to be my first unboxing video. I think it's my first unboxing video. But today I bought my first MacBook computer, and I actually do have a Mac that I got a few years ago, and it has been so great and I will still be using it, but that computer is going to become a family computer. It's just easier for me to have a laptop to be able to bring around places, and I'd love to, give that computer as a family computer. And before I even start unboxing, I just want to say that this video is not meant to brag. And I'm so grateful for every single one of you, because without you guys watching my videos, I would not be able to buy my own computer, and I wouldn't even be able to buy my own Starbucks drink. I'm very thankful, and I will be making a 100K giveaway once I reach 100,000 subscribers. Without further ado, let's just get on into this video. And I love watching unboxing videos because they really motivate me and make me excited for what I want. So if I want a MacBook, I'm gonna watch a lot of MacBook unboxing videos. So this is the thing. I think I'm gonna move this camera so you guys get a better view. I just got this today from Costco and I saved like $400 on it, so definitely check out Costco if you want a MacBook. I literally should have bought this in a New Hampshire Costco. I would save even more money. I really feel like I'm gonna cut myself. I was thinking of making this an ASMR video, but I feel like that'd just be weird. I really want to make an ASMR Brandy Melville rude employee roleplay. I don't know how you guys would feel about that. I have really been wanting to make an ASMR video, but YouTube is gonna demonetize me because they don't like kids making ASMR. If this video reaches 2,000 likes, I will do a rude Brandy Melville worker roleplay ASMR video. Maybe I can just rip it. Oh my gosh, I could have just ripped it. Ah. Oh my gosh. I'm just so excited. Let's open this baby up. I still need to buy the adapter and an external SSD, but I'm still so excited. I can edit. I'm just so grateful. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. I'm kind of getting emotional now. How do you open this? I don't know any life skills. Seriously, if you want a computer, go to Costco. I was gonna get it at the Apple store, but then my dad told me to get it at Costco, and it's probably the best decision ever. This is gonna be the most satisfying part. Okay, am I even ripping it the right way? Oh. I wasn't sure at first buying it from Costco because I felt like people at Apple were more knowledgeable, but I pretty much know most of the things I need to know about a MacBook. And this was not a speeded decision. There have been so many times where I walked past the Apple store and I walk inside and I study these MacBooks. I was deciding if I wanted the 13 or 15 inch. I feel like it'd be easier to edit and just see all my footage if I had the 15 inch. So I finally made that decision. I just tore everything off and now we're going to open it. Oh. Okay, it's turning on. I'm going to show you guys the MacBook case that I'm going to be using. So my sister actually has this same exact MacBook and she got hers from Costco. So now we have the same exact MacBook. She got hers for college, mine's for editing. This is a case that she used. I think it's so cute, and on Amazon they really don't have that many good options for cases. So this is the best option.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Anyways, I really wanted this case, but my mom was like, don't get the same case as Chen. It's gonna be confusing. So she let me actually use this case and she's gonna buy a new case. So that was super sweet and considerate of her. So thank you, Chen. I'm so excited to use this case. These keys are so nice. Well, I shook hands with the devil down on the south side, and he bought us both a drink with a pad and a pencil side by his side. So tell me what you think. Okay, typing on here is so satisfying. Okay, we're just not gonna do that. Dear editing Annie, make sure to blur out your Apple ID and Wi-Fi. I'm really sorry about this desk setup. This is my brother's. And we're just not gonna talk about it. The main thing I got this computer for was Final Cut Pro. I actually torrented Final Cut Pro on my old computer, which means I illegally got it for free. I don't think I'm gonna do that again because when I did that, the torrent app just wouldn't go away, and I don't remember how to torrent it, so I think I'm gonna buy it this time. And I just want to be able to buy it and not have the torrent thing keep on popping up. Final Cut Pro is really such a good investment. My computer is set up. It's not that much charge. I'm going to log into my account, start watching some TV.
Did you even try to airdrop?
So I actually forgot to put the case on, so we're gonna do that right now. Michael, you can move your device. This part goes on the bottom. Okay, you get off, Michael. Secured the bag. I think this is fully securely on. Oh, now I think it's fully securely on. So this basically looks exactly like my sister's MacBook. Same one, same case. Thank you guys so much for watching today's unboxing video. I'm so grateful to be able to have this computer, and thank you for all the opportunities you guys have given me. I can't wait to make some new content for you guys with this computer and be able to make it anywhere because it's very portable. That's all I gotta say. Don't forget to follow my Instagram so we can contact each other on there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and share this video with a friend. That's all I had to say, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Is it too much to ask for? Yeah. Can I put